Who's that?
The ball. I come in? I have mead.
You would not find me good company.
No. I'm sure we'll find lots to talk about. Nice place. About time.
I've been waiting for this. You're not from here. We got a tradition called blood payments. It means I get a piece of you for what you took from my family. You'll pick it up. That was for Boulder. Now show me this god killer I've heard so much about! I did not seek that fight with your brother! I don't care! Can't fight without your axe, coward!
My past.
The ghost of Sparta thing? Yeah.
Then you know what I'm capable of.
Show me! Now we gotta fight! You insult me holding back like this! Was hoping to see your blade. Guess they don't come when you call. You're fucking hopeless. You spit on my son's memories. I can't believe they lost to you! That's for Magni! Sorry about your statue, Tyr, you preachy old shit. If you're not fighting dirty, you're not... Your son struck first! Good! How were you ever a god of war? Nice try! fucking luck! Dumbass! You think you can come here, become a daddy, get a clean slate? That ain't how it works. You're a destroyer, like me.
Oh, no. I say when we're done. I'm not leaving till I see the real you. Get up! What's this? Now we're talking! That's all? You were finally showing! Stop holding back! This is for Modi! You put him last, even in death! The fuck you say? Modi sought us in fear of you. He died of the wounds you gave him. Oh, we got a model father here. This feels familiar. What? Don't matter. I can give a hot shit about your fatherly advice. I want to see the god of war. You should be better than this. Afraid to get your hands dirty? You started this! I will end it! Clever won't beat me! Let me see the monster inside! I see why my sons fell to you. Even this lesser version of you. But I am not my sons. And your boy, Allfather, has plans for him. There he is. There's the god of war. Consider your blood debt paid. Be seeing you.